The LAMTTO Fuji dash cam combines real-time monitoring, AI motion detection, and GPS tracking. Record inside and outside your vehicle. Easy installation, no need to modify car wiring. Many users worry about compatibility. Don't worry. 99 of OBD2 ports are universal. If your car doesn't fit, you can use a hardwire kit to connect to ACC instead. View your car anytime, anywhere through the app. Both the front and rear cameras are equipped with radar detection capabilities. Both the front and rear cameras are equipped with radar detection capabilities. Track routes and playback speed. The dash cam supports both memory card recording and optional cloud storage for remote access and alerts.